I build everything out of my garage, and in the last few videos it has come to my attention that I have a bit of an echo problem. I have a bit of an echo problem. See what I mean? Everything is one big flat reverberant surface. So today we are going to try to fix that problem. Better men than you have tried. And get rid of that guy. For the acoustic panels, we're going to fill it with mineral wool. Mineral wool. It absorbs sound pretty well. Everyone on the internet says that this is kind of the stuff to use. I don't know if this is the right brand or not, but we're going to figure that out. So we're going to make some frames out of some plywood, stuff it full of this, and then wrap everything in burlap, because apparently it is acoustically transparent. So that'll help this do its job a little bit better. So we're gonna head over to the table saw and cut some strips and get these all framed out. We're gonna get these all framed out. Will you quit it? All right, we've got all of the wood cut. Ugh, kinda want gloves. Where the hell are my gloves? We're gonna take 2 of these each, put them within the frame. So they're gonna be fairly big. Stretch these across, bolt them in, and that'll be our frame. So we're gonna do that on both sides. I'm gonna screw these in together real quick, get both ends done, and I'll be back in just a minute. I got all 4 of the frames put together. I went ahead and sanded all these exterior edges just so the burlap doesn't get cut while we're applying that. And we're gonna get started on the burlap wrapping now. Be sure to sweep up just a little bit before you get going. Keep your fabric nice and clean and just go slow. As you staple, make sure there's no runs and no wrinkles in anything. And as long as you're careful, you'll end up with a pretty decent product. We got 3 more to go. I'll meet all of you guys in the next step. All right, a couple 100 staples, a few blisters, really sore knees later. All 4 of the frames are done. Now, it's just filling them and putting some 2x4s on the back to hang them up. So we're getting close, all the hard work's over. Now we just gotta assemble. Hilariously, I think I like the natural burlap look a little bit more, which is surprising because I thought I'd like the black, but it's just so see-through that you can kind of see everything. So I don't know the rules with this insulation, so I'm gonna grab some gloves and a mask. What is wrong with this thing? So that's gonna be where we're gonna hang these from. I'm gonna do a little stretcher of fabric across here, just to hold everything in place, just in case. I'm realizing I need a little bit of a bracer at the bottom, so 2, probably just 1. Just so that this thing doesn't rock too much. Center it as well as we can. With this block, when it's hung up, it won't swing and the bottom won't hit the wall. That'll kind of keep everything straight. This is where I normally film, but I hung a moving blanket right there, which will hopefully deaden some of the sound bouncing off the ceiling and back towards me. And then if I come here and look in the direction I'm normally filming at, I hung a couple other moving blankets on the garage. This will hopefully kill some of those reverberations and kill some of that echo coming directly back out. I'm finally done making all the panels. Right now what you're hearing is absolutely no panels. I took them all down. We're gonna do some comparisons. So let's see how this goes. I'm Fruch, and this is my sound test. 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 Hearing everything back to back, it is a huge difference. I was working in here for a while with it completely empty, put up a few things and worked in here for a little longer. And after a while, you just kind of get used to it. But having it and then taking it all down for filming and then coming back and like talking in here, the echo was ridiculous. Thanks for sticking around to help me kill the echo. But really, honestly, now that he's gone, I kind of miss the guy. You miss me, you miss me. Yep, nope. This is gonna hate that guy.